How to change Spotify password. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can change your password for your Spotify account. Well, the process is simple. You have two different options in order to change your password. If you want to do it through the application, what you want to do is open up your application, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner, tap on settings and privacy, and you'll find the logout option at the bottom. You want to log out your account. Once you're logged out, you'll get the option to log in back again. There you want to choose forget password option, and you can reset your password to change your password. The other way is you can head into your browser, and on your browser you want to head into spotify.com. There you want to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you should get an interface somewhat like this, as you can see on the screen. You want to simply scroll down below. You can see account, payments, and you can see security and privacy. You can see the change password option. Simply tap on change password here. Now you want to enter in your old password and then go ahead and enter a new password, and you can go ahead and repeat the new password and then tap on set new password, and your password will be changed. So this is how you can change your password for Spotify account. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.